SmartCube300W. Counting setup. Please check the comparison table and choose between face detection or object counting. If you are not sure which one to choose, please select face detection. Please pay attention to the ceiling height requirement. Face detection. Face detection works by counting faces as people walk by. Please install it on the ceiling facing the front entrance about 4 to 5 meters away from the door. Please make sure the camera can see the faces of people clearly as they walk in. In addition, make sure the camera is not shooting at areas where people will stay instead of walking by. Otherwise, the same faces might be counted many times. When placing the camera, take into account the height and angle of the camera. Place the camera in a straight line for best counting results. Avoid an area which is too dark or too bright. Example of correct placement for face detection: 3 faces are detected. You can adjust the settings to fit the environment, like sensitivity and the counting interval. Object counting. Object counting register a count when people cross from Zone 1 to Zone 2 or vice versa. It can have independent count for entry and exit. Object counting requires a ceiling which is higher than 3.2 meters for installation. The higher it is, the more accurate counting result is. It can be installed sideways or over the top. Avoid tilting the camera forward or backward. Make sure there is enough illumination. Avoid direct sunlight into the counting zone. Avoid swing door near center border. Object counting.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
You can adjust the settings to fit the environment. The orientation can be changed from vertical to horizontal or vice versa depending on the placement of the camera. Receive an email counting report. The SmartCube300W can send a daily counting report via email. To enable this checkmark email counting report, make sure you have set up your email first. Select the time on which the camera should send the report. The camera will send a CSV file which you can open in Microsoft Excel. It will display the total number of people per hour and also the maximum number of people that came in at the same time. For a more detailed setup of counting functions, please use a computer and the web UI.